Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Star King Media. My name is Victor. In this day 2 of the free video creation course, we will be learning how to create cartoon animation films. Now let me hand you over to my boss, Mr. Afeshogo Prophet.
Alright everyone, welcome to day 2 of this Star King Media free video creation course. Today we are heading straight ahead to video animation creation, how to create cartoon videos, alright, with a lot of conversation and all of that. So that's what we want to learn this evening. Alright, so I want to also use this medium to appreciate those of us that have been consistent with the class, that have been doing the assignments. I tell you, you won't regret it. I'm not here to waste your time, and you are going to definitely enjoy it. So please stay committed and make sure you watch all the classes, the videos to the end, so you don't miss any important point. All right, so let's get right into it. Now today the tool we'll be using is Plotagon. All right, so which is this app you see at the bottom of my screen here, Plotagon. All right, so Plotagon is what we are going to be using this evening. It's a free tool, so I'm just going to click on it now. You click on it and then it will load for a while. Just wait for it to load, and then it will open up. So right now it's loading. It's still loading. Okay, so now it has opened up. All right, so these things you are seeing on my interface are videos I've created, cartoon videos I've created in time past. All right, so when you get here, if you have not created anything before, what you just see is this create new video that is at the top here. Create new video. That's what you should just see on your screen. So you click on that create video. Excuse me. So now when you click on create videos, they will give you one scene. That is one video scene, okay, which you can use all over again. All right, you can change it. Okay, you can change it and I'll put another scene just like this one now. So let's say we want to create a video. What you can see in this up here now, this is a stage, a video scene. Now there is no actor, nothing on it. Now the first thing I want us to do is if you want to change this scene, this background, you can change it to anything. How? By selecting this place that is showing street corner rainbow. You can just select it and it's going to bring out so many other video scenes, as you can see here, some of which are paid, some are free. Like this Fixfire is free. So if you just look at the top here, you see the free ones here. That's when you see me scroll, you see the free ones here. So you can see like this place, conference room. So let's use this conference room for this class. I'm trying to download it, as you can see. So it's going to download, and then once it has downloaded, I click on it again and it has added to my scene. It's now the stage for this movie generation that I want to do. Now once I've set the stage for my video, the next thing is to now add actors, people that will be acting this film. Now the thing with Plotagon is that you can use 2 characters per stage. You can't use more than 2 characters in the free version. All right, so we are going to now click on add character, this one at the bottom here. Okay, click on it, add actor. Now it will give you a list of actors, some of which are free, some are paid. If you don't want to use any of this one, you also have the liberty of creating a character. How can you create a character? I will tell you that later, but now let's just pick one among these. Like for instance, this Victor you are seeing here, I'm the one that created this one. This one is not among the ones they gave me. This Victor, I'm the one that created it, I gave it the look, the design that I was not the one that named it. But the rest of the ones you are seeing here, they are created, they came with the app. You can create as much characters as you wish that suit your taste. Alright, so now what I'm going to use now, I'm going to do character Victor. Okay, now as you can see, Victor is standing at the front of the stage as though he is the one that is presenting the speech in this kind of conference room. All right, now I can change that. I could say maybe Victor is not the one that is presenting the speech, so now I can do, like you can see at this button where I'm toggling over for you now, you can see that he is standing to the left at the presentation. Right, so if I want to change the position of Victor, I can just click this place here, and then you see a list of other positions that Victor could take. As you can see, you are seeing a croissant, door, presentation left, presentation right, then table. So if I click on table, you'll find he's now sitting in one of the chairs. If I change that to door, you see he's now standing at the door as if he's a security man. If I still change on that, I can say okay, now you can see he's now sitting at the front. So wherever you can change the position. Now I want Victor to be the spokesman of this event, so I'm going to put him on presentation left, which was where he was before. Okay, so then the next thing is to add another actor. Which you can see there's this place I say no actor. You add another actor, click on it, and this time I'm going to add who should I add now? Let's add Lizzie. So I'm going to add Lizzie, and now Lizzie is standing. Okay, but I want Lizzie to be seated, so I'm going to toggle on this standing position, or the position of Lizzie, and then I'll click on it and say let Lizzie be on the table. Or no, not just on the table, we want her to be in the front, so let it be the croissants. All right, so that's it. Now having selected the position and the characters, the next thing is to now give them words to say. What do you want them to say? So if you to select or to give them what to say, this place you are seeing here, that is like this message icon here, that's what you will be using. So you click on it. Now it's asking you who do you want to talk. Which say no actor has been selected here. No actor has been selected, so you click on it to select between the two actors. Who do you want to start speaking first? All right, so now let's say I want the conversation to start from Victor, since he's the one presenting. So I'll say Victor. Now what is Victor saying? That's where your message comes in. That's why I was saying it's very good you have your script before now, or have an idea of what you want your video to look like. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just a draft. I'm not doing any much work, so I'm just going to be typing a few stuff for Victor to say. So let's say I want Victor to say good morning, Lizzie. Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentations before the board conference meeting starts. Right, so this is what I want Victor to say. Okay, now having typed this, now look at what happens. This is going to enter in. Now, if you look here, you see if I click on this play icon at the top here, if I click on it, and look at what is going to happen.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts.
So you can see that Victor is now saying what I have written for him to say. Now, but the mode at which he's saying it, if I don't like it, I can change it. If I want him to be more emotional, more passionate, or maybe saying it as if he's sad or as if he's shy, I can change that by using this place I'm toggling over now, which is showing natural. So he's saying it naturally. Now I can touch that and change it. Now you see a whole list of things that I can put here. Now, how is he saying it? So let's say he's saying it with this thing. I cannot put anything safe, since I'm just trying to show you. So that you just be saying it. So, but first thing, let's look at is saying it. Let's just say shy. And now you see his position has changed. His facial appearance has changed. So if I play it now.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts.
Now you see that he's saying the same thing, but he's now behaving like a shy person. Okay, so you can change that to maybe he's super excited, saying it with a great excitement.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts.
Alright, so but I can now go back to any other one that and you see whatever one. Okay, so let's go back to natural. Okay, I want to let's go back to natural. Let's go back to natural. All right, so it's going to be saying this naturally. All right, so once I've added what Victor is to say, I'm done with what Victor is to say. I'll go to the next person that will talk. Let's say Lizzie wants to talk next. And how do I do that? I'll click on this message icon again, click on it, and then I'm going to bring another tab for me, tell me no actor. So I'll select the actor that I want to talk. Now this time it's Lizzie that I want to talk. And now what is Lizzie saying? I'll say, okay, maybe Lizzie is saying, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay. Let me be your audience. Let me be your audience. Your audience. The stage is all yours. You can start your presentation. Or okay, instead of saying use the stage, or we can say you can start your presentation. Okay, so now you see, once that is done, if I want to play this.
That's a good idea. Okay, let me be your audience. You can start your presentation.
Okay, so but I don't want Lizzie to say this naturally. I want her to say it like a thoughtful person. So thinking. Okay, so now so see I've changed it to thinking now.
That's a good idea. Okay, let me be your audience. You can start your presentation.
Okay, so you see now that's already done. Now I can continue to add another conversation as much as possible. So I can touch this again and say, okay, Victor now starts the conversation, and I'll select the actor, and then Victor starts the conversation and say, and by saying, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Stacking Media. Today I will be talking to you on the importance of video editing. video editing. Now I can go on and on with this. Okay, you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Okay, so and then come, and it's just going to play, and I play
Good day,
it.
ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Starking Media. Today I will talking to you on the importance of video editing.
All right, but the mode at which he's saying it is not, it's not supposed to be. Don't start a presentation like that. So let's say he's talking proudly, or he's talking, okay, proud is not too harsh. Can we get confidence? He's talking with confidence. Is there confidence? No, I don't see confidence. Is there courage? No courage. So proud is okay. Let's see how the proud goes. Okay.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Starking Media. Today I will talking to you on the importance of video editing.
I think this does it. Okay. So, and you can add as much more characters. I mean, much more conversation that you want. All right. And now it is at video editing. And let's say you want to add more characters to this thing, more characters to this boardroom conference, this boardroom. I will show you how you can do it when we come to video editing class. I think that will be in day 4 class. All right, or as from day 3 class I can also do that, but maybe it's either day 3 or day 4 that according to our timetable we're going to do that. All right, so but you can go on and on. You can even add some music or to this in video editing class, in the video editing, but let's just still add a little background music to each of these scene. All right, so let's go back to the first one by clicking back on this first Victor here. You click on it and then add music. This thing you see here, this music icon at the bottom here, just click on it and it's going to tell you, okay, which kind of music do you want to add. Select the music. So now the first thing was a natural smooth music. Okay, now music starts with a happy sound or whatever. So it's either if he's happy, okay, or whatever the case. If you want to get more music, you can get more. I just want to use this to show you, so you can just click on happy. So now music has been added. Now please, there's something I want to show you. If you want this music now, we said happy sound. That's what I'm saying. So let's just play this. Now, since we are at the beginning of the video, you are going to see that it's going to play everything. So once we play it now.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts.
That's a good idea. Okay, let me be your audience. You can start your presentation.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Starking Media. Today I will talking to you on the importance of video
I hope
editing.
you can see that the music continues to play, but there is something. The music did not start playing at the beginning of the video. All right, so you can actually take the music to the beginning of the video by, if you, okay, so excuse me. Okay, yes, you can take the music to the beginning of the video by clicking on these 3 dots here. If I click on that 3 dot, you can see that you have now seen an arrow that is at the top. This one is showing up. So let's move it up. So now the music is at the top. All right. Okay, so now that the music is at the top, let's come touch that 3 dot line again so that it will come back to normal. Don't do the mistake of cancelling. If you press this red button and just delete it, so you can touch this dot line again and it will go back to normal. There you play the video.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts.
That's a good idea. Okay, let me be your audience. You can start your presentation.
Good day, ladies.
Alright, after creating your videos, I know the next thing you will ask is, okay, how do I download it? Well, to download it is very simple. You just click on this icon here, this one here, okay, and then it will ask you to save video, of which you just click on save video. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to export it with subtitles so that they'll be writing the words of what the cartoon is saying on the screen? If you want to export it with subtitles, you click export with subtitles. If you don't want to export it with subtitles, you just click export without subtitles. So let's just export this with subtitles, and it's going to render it, and then it downloads. It doesn't take much time, and so let's just wait for it a little bit. I just wait for it. Okay, I think I should just pause the video a bit so that once it's done, I'll continue. Alright, so as you can see, it said your plot has now been saved. Your plot has now been saved. So you can say done or share if you want to share it. Or now, let me just say done. Now, if you go to your gallery, you should see your video there. You go to your file manager, your gallery, you see the video that has been generated. Now, here is it.
Good morning, Lizzie. I think we should use this opportunity to go over the presentation before the board conference meeting starts. That's a good idea. Okay, let me be your audience. You can start your presentation. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Starking Media. Today I will talking to you on the importance of video editing.